Hello and welcome to Learning Outcome 4. Understand the need for professional ethics when completing assurance engagement. What role do professional ethics play in assurance engagements? This video explores the importance of ethics in auditing and assurance services. We will delve into principles, threats, and safeguards that ensure ethical compliance. Audit assurance and internal control are crucial components of auditing. Understanding ISA 500 is essential for auditors. Different types of assurance provide varying levels of confidence. These concepts form the foundation of professional ethics. A solid grasp of these topics is vital for ethical compliance. Rate your knowledge of audit and professional ethics on a scale from 1 to 10. Consider the role of professional ethics in protecting the public. Analyze how ethical principles safeguard fellow professionals. Evaluate the importance of confidentiality in assurance engagements. Reflect on these aspects to enhance your understanding. Ethical codes guide assurance activities, ensuring integrity. They can be rules-based or principles-based. Threats to ethical principles include self-interest and intimidation. Ethical codes help mitigate these threats. Understanding these codes is vital for maintaining professional standards. Auditors must offer credible opinions and follow ethical guidelines. Independence from clients is crucial for integrity. Safeguards help maintain this independence. Auditors must both follow and be perceived to follow ethical guidelines. This dual requirement is essential for trust. The Enron scandal is a key example of ethical failure. Arthur Andersen was found guilty of obstruction of justice. The scandal damaged Andersen's reputation beyond repair. It highlights the importance of ethical compliance. Such cases remind auditors of their ethical responsibilities. Ethics for accountants are grounded in fundamental principles. These include integrity, objectivity, and professional competence. Threats to these principles must be identified and mitigated. Safeguards are crucial in maintaining ethical standards. Accountants must adhere to these principles consistently. Safeguards protect against ethical threats like self-interest. They help maintain independence and objectivity. Auditors must implement these safeguards effectively. Professional guidelines provide a framework for action. Consistent application of safeguards is essential for ethical compliance. When accepting new work, ethical considerations are crucial. An engagement letter outlines these considerations clearly. It ensures both parties understand their ethical obligations. This process helps prevent conflicts of interest. Proper documentation is key to maintaining ethical standards. Ethical guidance can be principles-based or rules-based. Principles offer flexibility in applying ethics. Rules provide clear, specific guidelines. Both approaches have their merits and challenges. Understanding the balance between them is crucial for ethical decision-making. Accountants must comply with legal requirements. Ethical standards often align with legal obligations. However, ethical dilemmas may arise beyond legal frameworks. Understanding the law is crucial for ethical compliance. Legal knowledge complements ethical decision-making processes. Business Ethics Guide: Professional Conduct in Organizations. They align with professional values like integrity and accountability. These values influence decision-making and behavior. Ethical business practices build trust and reputation. Organizations must foster a culture of ethical compliance. Sustainability and CSR are integral to ethical business. They reflect an organization's commitment to societal welfare. Ethical practices support sustainable development goals. CSR initiatives enhance corporate reputation and trust. Organizations must integrate sustainability into their ethical frameworks. Threats like self-interest and intimidation challenge ethics. Auditors must recognize and mitigate these threats. Ethical principles guide responses to such challenges. Safeguards protect against ethical breaches. Consistent vigilance is essential for maintaining integrity. Confidentiality is a cornerstone of professional ethics. Auditors must safeguard client information diligently. Unauthorized disclosure can harm clients and reputations. Ethical guidelines emphasize confidentiality's importance. Auditors must adhere to these guidelines consistently. Auditors must keep client information confidential. However, obligatory disclosure may be required by law. Situations like money laundering necessitate reporting. Auditors must balance confidentiality with legal obligations. Understanding these scenarios is crucial for ethical compliance. Auditors may disclose information in the public interest. This includes situations involving fraud or misconduct. Voluntary disclosure protects public welfare and integrity. Auditors must justify such disclosures ethically. Public interest considerations guide these decisions. Ethical guidance provides a framework for decision-making. Auditors must apply professional judgment in complex scenarios. This involves interpreting ethical codes and principles. Consistent application of judgment ensures ethical compliance. Professional development enhances ethical decision-making skills. The International Code of Ethics promotes global consistency. It provides a foundation for national ethical codes. The UK adopts these standards for its auditing practices. Consistency enhances trust and compliance across borders. Understanding this code is vital for international auditors. Confidentiality audits assess information protection measures. They ensure systems are not misused or compromised. Auditors evaluate controls and compliance with ethical standards. This process is part of the overall assurance framework. Effective audits maintain trust and integrity. Explore additional resources for deeper understanding. Further reading enhances knowledge of ethics and auditing. Engage with case studies and practical applications. Continuous learning supports professional development. Stay informed to maintain ethical standards in practice. In conclusion, understanding the need for professional ethics when completing an assurance engagement is essential for maintaining integrity, objectivity, and trust. Assurance practitioners must follow ethical principles such as honesty, independence, confidentiality, and professional competence when carrying out their work. These ethical standards help ensure that assurance activities are conducted fairly and without bias. By adhering to strong professional ethics, practitioners can provide reliable conclusions and maintain confidence in the assurance process. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361 688.